disputes are driven by one of two things. Either those firms that really are undercapitalized and don't have anything to lose. On the flip side of that are those well-capitalized firms that in this economy where things are going really well are willing to put forth the capital just to see a dispute through.
Since we are a not-for-profit institution, our primary mission is to educate CFOs, legal teams, and really the entire executive suite on the benefits of arbitration. So we spend a lot of time helping people understand the value of a good arbitration clause, making sure they're selecting the right process for their dispute. We've seen an increase in our construction caseload as construction projects are becoming more complex. That's driven by inflationary concerns, labor shortages, supply chain disruptions, and an interest rate environment that's making the cost of projects higher and higher each year.
I've always had the philosophy of preferring arbitration over litigation, and that's because the level of understanding that arbitrator or an arbitration panel brings, unlike a judge perhaps, who's stepping into a construction dispute that he or she sees rarely.
We believe in our disputes, we believe in what we're doing, but we want to have an expected result. The problem when we bring people outside that have no knowledge of construction, we won't know.
So we have an issue where our construction clients are using a variety of technology and tools that are evolving as we're doing the disputes even. So with AI, though, what we're seeing is it's doing a couple of things. One is allowing us to harness the information that is massive and that is growing in our disputes. But it also is creating questions for lawyers and neutrals alike of what are our ethical obligations when we're using AI.
Well, like every other part of society right now, litigation is going through a transformation process that is being led by artificial intelligence, led by data. A large construction project is going to have millions of documents. It's going to have schedule concerns. It's going to have change management concerns. And those are sometimes very, very difficult issues.
We're seeing that AI is becoming more prevalent on construction job sites, so that's creating a data-rich environment. And what that means for the arbitration process is we need to ensure that we have arbitrators who are data literate, who understand how to access that data, how to avoid being overwhelmed by all of the information that's available, and ensuring that AAA as well and the arbitration providers are leveraging AI tools to improve the speed and efficiency of the process as well.
What the AAA does is it filters the panels, it makes sure that we have people that are deciding the dispute that know what they're talking about. As we push forward together, we can make sure that we've analyzed the issues and we know how to approach this before we ever get here.